In this video, we will learn about how chemistry revolves around us, even in basic things like cleaning, eating, and even in healthcare. So, how does cleaning the house connect to chemistry? There are different types of cleaning agents. Cleaning agents can be categorized into detergents, abrasives, degreasers, disinfectants, and bleaches, each serving a different specific purpose and containing unique chemical compositions. Next is a chemical reaction, metathesis. This happens if you combine vinegar and baking soda when cleaning the drainings or other spots in the house. You experience a double displacement or metathesis reaction plus some others. The ingredients recombine to produce carbon dioxide gas and water. The carbon dioxide forms bubbles and helps loosen blockages in pipes. Lastly are acid-base reactions. Whenever you combine an acid like vinegar, lemon juice, sulfuric acid, or muriatic acid with a base like baking soda, soap, ammonia, or acetone, you are performing an acid-base reaction. These reactions neutralize the acid and base to yield salt and water. As an allied health student taking chemistry, how does healthcare connect to chemistry? First, chemistry is used in medicine for the development of new drugs, which involves chemical synthesis as well as analysis of compounds. Secondly, chemistry involves the design, analysis, development, and synthesis of drugs as medicines. Thirdly, chemistry plays a vital role in the study of drugs and diseases and how these drugs can affect the human body. And lastly, chemical compounds are essential in medicine production, contributing to the designing, developing, and manufacturing of medicinal products. Drugs are used in all kinds of medicines, mostly in cough syrups, medicines for nerve problems, and chemotherapy medicines. Another example here would be normal saline. This is a sodium chloride NaCl salt and water mixture. It is mostly used in clinics and hospitals for cleaning wounds, removal, and storage of lenses. Now, how does food connect to chemistry? Sodium chloride, also known as table salt, is an ionic compound with a chemical formula NaCl representing a 1:1 ratio of sodium and chloride ions. It is commonly used as a condiment and food preservative. Salt is necessary for life. Na+ ions are one of the main ions in the human body and are necessary to regulate the fluid balance in the body. Cl- ions are necessary for proper nerve function and respiration. Both of these ions are supplied by salt. The taste of salt is one of the fundamental tastes. Salt is probably the most ancient flavoring known, and one of the few rocks we eat. Clearly, when the elemental sodium and chlorine combine, the resulting salt product has radically different properties, both physical and chemical. Another compound is sugar, which is generic name for sweet soluble carbohydrates, many of which are used in food. Sugar has a chemical formula C12H22O11. While sugar qualitatively resembles table salt, often confused in the kitchen, the two have distinctively different physical and chemical properties. There are various types of sugar derived from different sources. While sugar is made with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, it is considerably harder to synthesize from its constituent elements than table salt is. However, the thermal decomposition is considerably easier and can be represented as a dehydration of sucrose to pure carbon and water vapor. Now, for studies to highlight the importance of chemistry in everyday life. According to the article by Gomelon Bell, F. 2020, throughout the past year, chemists around the globe have suggested remarkable technologies and innovations in their respective fields. The selected technologies will change our world for the better, making a more thoughtful use of our resources, favoring more efficient transformations, and providing more sustainable solutions and applications ranging from new materials and more efficient batteries to extremely precise sensors and personalized medicine. Examples of these innovations in chemistry are firstly, microbiome and bioactive compounds. The microscopic life within us is immensely diverse. Chemists and biochemists may find a myriad of new bioactive compounds encoded in the genome of bacteria, contributing directly to SDG 3. Understanding and unraveling the secrets of our microbiome could revolutionize the future of healthcare. And lastly, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our society. Its market value is growing exponentially as it finds uses in finance, justice, transportation, and even in healthcare. Chemistry is no exception. Among other things, they expect chemical reactions will become more reproducible, more easily scalable, and eventually greener and more efficient thanks to the combination of high-throughput methodologies and automated analyses. Chemists could control and accelerate serendipity turning accidental discoveries into a thorough and carefully planned research. All these strategies could expedite scientific breakthroughs and solve increasingly sophisticated problems. And so, to summarize, chemistry is all around us. From the detergents you clean your laundry with to the medicine you take when you're feeling under the weather. Chemistry also helps us improve our living with life-changing discoveries and improvements. So we should embrace and acknowledge the amazing feats chemistry can do.